Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. As you can see, we have third from the right button with 3 and 4. This is our aspect ratio button, so when we tap on it we can manage our camera frame. We are in 3 and 4. Let's move to 9 and 16. Now the background has changed to the longer one, so this is the difference. Another tap here, and let's move to 1 and 1. This is the square one aspect ratio. And when we pick this button once again, we can also move to 9 and 22, so this is the full one. And of course, when we pick the third button from the right, once again you can pick whatever you need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.